country. Today we are doing an unboxing video. My name is Braxton and my favorite thing to do is baseball and basketball.
My name is Trinity and my favorite thing to do is dance and gymnastics.
Let's get to it.
Alright, so what do you guys think are in these boxes?
Giant lava lamp.
This might be a giant lava lamp, and what if this is a glass dog statue?
Oh yeah, a glass dog statue.
Yeah.
I mean monkey cage, that's always something. That's always something.
True.
That's always something.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, get to it.
Can we do the big one first?
No, we gotta start with the little one.
Okay.
Start with the little one. Be careful. You're good. You're good. You're good. Then you can pull it up.
Whoa, it's metal. What's this? It's metal. Oh my, it's heavy.
Do you need it out there? Do we need assistance?
Yes. We need assistance.
Oh wow, it is heavy. Oh my. Let's do this.
Maybe we should have opened it upside down.
Do you think we can slide it out? Safety first. Alright, can you guys help me? I'm gonna slide it out. Careful.
Yeah.
Oh crap.
Hannah.
Easy. Easy.
I got my foot there.
There we go. There we go.
Okay.
What is it?
What is that?
Is it on the wrong side?
What is it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
It's a metal box.
Do you think Do you think maybe it goes with the big box?
Maybe.
Maybe. So should we maybe open it?
Maybe this
Yeah.
opens.
Do we need to open the big box and go from
Yeah.
there?
Okay.
Yeah.
Set this on the floor.
What's the
Okay.
hypothesis?
Yeah. What do you guys think this is? Any guesses?
It costs $250.
Okay. Maybe it's a antique cabinet.
Maybe.
Those things are always expensive.
Fair.
Okay, where do we start?
Well, take
Oh,
the.
okay, we start with those. Ooh, that makes it work.
How can we open this?
Oh,
Here.
rip it. Oh, I think it's upside down.
You think it's upside down?
I think so.
I don't think so. Because look, the arrows are pointing up.
Oh, they were pointing.
I hope not. This is
Okay.
the box.
Okay, this is even bigger and heavier, I bet.
We're just gonna
Slide that out.
Where'd the cutter go?
The cutter? Oh yeah, he took
Safety
it.
first.
Safety first. Let me do this one though. Okay.
Okay.
Because it's fragile.
I don't speak French.
Oh, it didn't go through. What do you guys think?
Metal.
Just metal?
Sure.
We just ordered a box of metal.
Yeah. Maybe you have molds somewhere but to make a metal monkey statue.
What are you doing with a monkey statue? What would you do with a
Give
monkey
it to my
statue at
mom.
school?
Give it to my mom. She loves monkeys.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It's a box within a box.
Box is in a box.
It's styrofoam. Oh my, this is good
Nice
styrofoam.
packing, right?
Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
It's huge. Oh man,
What is that?
more styrofoam. I'll leave it. I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it.
You're leaving it?
Oh, it's tape. That's what it is. Open.
What is this?
Is that an engine to this?
Is that an engine?
Maybe.
Engine.
You think it's an
Lift it out.
engine?
You wanna lift it out one?
Let's try. Okay, keep going. Slide the box away.
Have it.
Slide the box.
It's my leg.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Holy cow!
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
it's huge.
Oh my god.
What is
Is that a
this?
button?
It says, to turn on this magic button, go to setup.glowforge.com.
Well, I'm gonna set up
So what's it say
Glowfordge.
on the box? So you can use it as a clue in the box too.
The box.
You got it on the top there.
On the box.
Laser printer. 3D laser printer. What's a laser printer?
Does it cut things?
It does.
It does. So
It cut things.
So it has
into shapes?
It has a 40-watt laser in it. So you'll actually be able to use the laser inside of there to engrave or to cut wood or to make shape, three-dimensional shapes. So a laser printer might print with ink and follow the ink along, but this actually takes shapes and turns them into other things.
My dad needs one of these.
And this is the air filter that goes with it. You have to
So
have.
you can look at the back here and see where that'll eventually connect with. You see
Got
the outlet here?
Oh, yeah.
So So of course, what do you think happens when the laser is cutting things? What do you think is going to happen with the rest of it? The producer's got an idea. If you guys don't have one, what do you got, producer?
He's gonna make an
He's stepping
appearance.
on camera.
Oh.
Guest appearance.
Producer appearance. It could possibly.
You gotta be on camera there. You're off camera. So we're cutting things with the laser. What do you need an air filter for?
So another producer appearance. Ta-da! Guest appearances.
I'm thinking it's gotta be for the pieces because there's gonna be dust that comes off of it, and I mean if you have it all trapped in there, it's gonna get in the way, so it's gotta be blown out.
Right.
And I mean if you don't have something to contain it
What's
in,
gonna happen
it's
in
just
here?
gonna go everywhere.
Yeah. So depending on what you're cutting, right? If you're cutting wood, you're gonna have
Sawdust.
wood particles, right? If you're cutting plastic, what's that gonna produce?
Fire.
You'll have gases, right, that are going to come out of there, and we don't want to breathe that stuff in, so you're going to filter that out of the air. You can vent it to the outside, of course, too, but that allows it to be mobile within this room, so you can keep it in here.
Got it.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
So are
Is
you
that
excited
water
to
or
use
plastic?
it?
Like,
Yes, we
is that
are.
water
Can we
in there?
open? Does this
Actually,
open up?
lift it up.
Looks like a printer.
Oh,
No, it's
here,
tape.
Oh, that's why I want.
That's very satisfying to take.
Wow. Fancy, fancy.
Oh, I want to keep one.
Oh my gosh.
I want to keep one. Put little figurines.
I'm excited for you guys. I've never used anything like
Careful.
this before either. And so this is the Pike County Community Foundation.
Found stuff.
So
Don't lose
people
it.
around
Found stuff.
people around Pike County donate and have provided this for us through a grant that we wrote for you guys to learn about things, because there's careers that are obviously going to be using this kind of technical machinery, and you guys getting to know about it now is just such a cool opportunity. I remember when I was a kid, it was computers, but this is kind of next generation of things to learn about.
I found a bag of salt.
This is like desiccant, so this is to keep moisture out of it when you're shipping.
Keep
Careful.
rust.
Oh, careful.
Oh wait, careful. Is that tape?
No.
I don't think
The oranges. That probably looks.
oranges. I'm gonna go over here. Keep
There. No. It's got a little clip somewhere. All right, we'll put this back inside here. For now.
For now. Till we, read some directions on it.
So we don't want to laser anybody here, right? Safety first,
Right.
remember.
Safety first.
Yeah, we need safety goggles first.
That's right. You will, yeah. You don't want to look at the laser.
Yeah, we're not even safe around this knife thing.
Yeah, no, put that down.
That's right.